morning from Lindos. It's just gone 9 o'clock and today it's the big one. We're going up to the Acropolis. Let's go. Poor donkeys. Feel so sorry for them, but I guess they're used to it, aren't they? With a church, Sunday church by the sounds of it, yeah. Guess we follow the donkeys. Great time of the day to come. There's nobody here. Sunday morning as well. Put a cat up there. And here we have some donkey poop. Best avoided. I'm just waiting for somebody doing some clean to throw a bucket of water over it. Right, yes, we better avoid this bit of a mess. Hard work. No pain, no gain, that's what they say in it. So, just stop for a breather. We'll get going again shortly. So we actually came up the donkey route. There is actually an alternative route up there, but we chose this route. But we went down the steps route, as you'll see towards the end of the video. Not quite at the top yet, but already one heck of a view. My beautiful wife's doing so well. She hurt herself last night. She slipped and hurt her arm, but she's been very brave. Well done, my darling, when you watch this. We actually purchased our tickets in advance using an app called Get Your Guide, which they do tickets for all kinds of things all over the world. And we just thought we'd get them in advance just in case there were any big queues, people waiting to buy tickets. But as it turned out, there was no queues at all. So it does pay to go up there a little bit early and avoid the crowd. And obviously it's slightly, I was going to say cooler, but it's still very, very warm, especially with it being July. But definitely worth getting the tickets in advance, just in case. Oh yeah, and they cost us €12. Careful. It's worth coming up just for the view of that all on its own. St Paul's Bay, absolutely gorgeous. Get a better view here. Oh my goodness. Wow. How about that for a view? That is amazing. Wow. It's like a toy town. Not a bad view at all, is it? After that effort. Be a lot easier going down, won't it? Feel sorry for those poor little donkeys though, bless them. Don't suppose that crane's been there for thousands of years, but I guess it's for when they bring in stuff to do maintenance and whatnot. Have a look at this little view over here, shall we? So after taking in those absolutely gorgeous views from at the top of the Acropolis, we decided to start making our way back down into the village of Lindos. And stay tuned because there's a little treat right at the bottom, a place called Captain's Bar. Well, that was really, really enjoyable. Time to head back down now. We're going to go down on a different path by the looks of it. Pardon me. Selling various bits of linen products. Breeze is nice, isn't it? Another great view, a bit lower down. Another putty cat. Hello, beautiful. Hello. Hello. And some shade, lovely. To the square or to the square. Take your pick. But most places are just opening up for the day. It's now 10:30, so started going up at 9:05, I think it was. So that's not bad. Yeah. Yeah, the floor's absolutely gorgeous, but it is a bit slippy. I'm wearing trainers and it is actually a little bit slippy, but look how beautiful that is. It must take absolutely ages to get this down on the floor. Gorgeous. I bet a lot of people don't even notice, but very nice. Here we are in the captain's house, which is lovely. We've just come back down from the Acropolis. Lovely setting, nice lot of fans everywhere. Cool us down. There's some lovely drinks as well. We've just ordered something off this menu. Very refreshing. Lovely. This place, the captain's house. Very old building. Hello. Really, really nice. I think you can see the detail on the roof. That must have taken a long time to build. Absolutely fab. Old eye in there. Fascinating. And back out we go. Drinks have arrived. Definitely need these. Rather thirsty after that hike. Hope you enjoyed that walk up and down the Lindos Acropolis. We certainly did, but it's blooming hard work in this heat. Anyway, we'll go to near for a beer now. Very nice. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers for now. Bye bye.